Hey, so what is going on, everyone? I got a little tech video here to share with all of you on how to fix the audio on the iPad if you're browsing Yahoo News and you're trying to watch a video and you don't have any audio and you're doing it through the Safari browser. If you touch this video that you're trying to watch in the Yahoo News, like after I touch that, you can see there's no like sound panel down there or anything. And if I press play, you can see the video, but you hear no audio. All you need to do is take two fingers and swipe this video, enlarging it, and then at the top right, you'll see somehow the little speaker has become muted with a line through it. Simply touch that and then press play. Now we have our audio back. And then all you need to do again is swipe again, making the video smaller. We still have our audio. That is how you can fix the audio, though, for that particular issue browsing in Safari. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If that helps some of you out, hit that like button and share the video. Have a good one.